What's going on, guys? We are up here at Mid-South Tire and Wheel. I'm thinking about changing the wheel setup on the truck, and we're pulling around back now. I've got a set of wheels that they're going to show me. That looks good. Lowered on some black wheels. Looks pretty good. Anyway, I've got some wheels they're going to show me. Oh, can't get that way. And we're going to see how they look. It's not the wheels I wanted, but it's the same brand, so I don't know. Maybe I'll walk out here with some wheels, maybe not. We'll see. They said it's gonna be like 3 weeks for the wheels I wanted to come in. I don't know, I'm just impatient. When I get a thought in my mind, I gotta go for it. So we're gonna see how they look. Of course, it's pouring down rain. I'm completely in the way of the delivery driver. He got pretty close. He didn't hit me though. All right. So I picked out a set of wheels, and they look crazy. I'm really excited about them. There they are right there. Ooh, that's all you guys can see. He's loading them up. I'm pulling over to the bay, and we're gonna get them put on. Oh, tight turn. I just realized that's the first person I've ever let drive my truck. That's funny. Those are coming off, right? I told you. Yes. Okay. I couldn't remember if I told you or not. I told Jason, but he's off today, I guess. They decided to give him a day off.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen him take one off, but I guess maybe he does. Sad to see him go, happy to see him leave. This is gonna be the last set of Snowflakes I ever own.
I don't blame you. They're kind of getting a little too popular.
They've been getting a little too... You want me to help?
Right up there.
There you go. Yeah, man, I don't know. It just... I've always tried to make it look a little different, but it's hard to do with the Snowflakes. You know, you can only look so aggressive with the plus 31 offset. All right, so we just paid. Now I'm gonna run over here to this next building and see what these look. Hopefully they got them on the truck. I don't think they do yet, but I'm pretty excited. So we're headed home now, and oh, you guys always remind me to put my seatbelt on. So as soon as I hit record, I was like, I should probably put my seatbelt on. So headed home now and got the wheels and tires on, and I'll show you guys what they look like. I just want to clean it a little bit first. Of course, as you can see, it's still raining. We had a couple sunny days, but it was like blistering cold, but now it's raining again. So all right, so Saturday morning, I got the truck cleaned up, I got the wheels cleaned up, I did some cool stuff to the wheels to make them kind of my own. Are you guys ready to see it? There you go. If you're on Instagram, you already saw it, but oh well. Check it out, new wheels. Truck looks clean. Look at that. Whew. So this is a hardcore HC14. It's a 24 by 12 wheel, negative 44 offset, no spacers. As you can see, clears the caliper fine. And look at this. I wrapped my center cap to match the wrap on the truck. Pretty cool. Same tires that were on my other wheels. They just look bigger because the other wheels were a 10-inch wide wheel, so the tires were kind of rolled in, whereas these wheels are 12, so it kind of rolls the tire out a little bit. You can see it sticks out. good bit more. I think it's an extra, in the front, it's an extra inch on each side over the silver wheels. I think it's pretty good looking. The thing I like most about them is it's a different wheel. So I was originally looking at the HC14s, which are very popular, and I don't know, I got tired of having the same thing everybody else had, which obviously with my wrap you can tell that I don't like that. So I saw these and I was like, yeah, those look killer. And I originally was planning on wrapping the whole flat spoke of them, but I think that might be too much. So center cap looks good. I'm gonna leave it like that. I like the new look. I think it looks way more aggressive. I think the Snowflakes were cool, but the problem with them is everybody had them, number one, and number two, they still had that stock appearance. So no matter how big they were or anything like that, it still just kind of looked like a stock truck that was a little more aggressive. So with these wheels, it definitely does not look stock anymore, and I'll probably keep them for a while. So real quick, I'll take you through kind of the process of getting the wheels put on and show you the little behind the scenes of how they did it. What are your thoughts on the spiked lug nuts?
Spiked lugs?
Yeah.
That would actually look really
like
good.
Like black spike lugs?
Yeah, they would look awesome with this.
You ready, bro?
That's incredible.
I get the message.
Trying to one hit and it goes all the way down.
Really like a competition between all of us.
See who can drop it the first try. It didn't hit. Oh, it did. Oh, it did. Yeah, there you go. So I've got the new wheels on the truck, and you know I can't leave it stock. I'll show you the stock wheel right here. So I wanted to incorporate my wrap into the wheel, so I took my center cap off and did this. Pretty cool looking, and it's reflective. Oh, I still got to cut out the other hole for the center cap, but yeah, so just a subtle little touch. Oh yeah, that's exactly what it needed. Just a little touch to make it kind of, hey dude, what's up, Cooper man? Just hanging out? Okay, see ya. Anyway, little subtle touch. Now we got 3 more to go.